Hello my fellow being humans. Well, today I'm going to continue on this Damascus billet. So what I've got to do is just grind them a bit flight, take a few of the little mistakes out of them. And then when I've got them all clean, stack them up. That's sort of a pattern, and yeah, we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Right, hello. So I've been grinding away for a bit. You can see that they're a lot smoother than they were. Little defects and stuff out of them. Shiny. Beautiful. Right, now to stack them up and get them stuck together. I'll put this one out there and I'll come back with another one later. Take it easy, stay beautiful, and always be kind.